Can you see that white bit hitting the strings? This bit, it's called a hammer, and it hits the strings when I press a key, which makes the strings vibrate. But to see exactly what's going on, we need to look deeper inside the piano. Every key is longer than it looks because it's actually part of a wooden lever. A lever is like a seesaw. When one end goes down, the other end goes up. At the end of the lever is the key. At the other end is the hammer. When a key is pressed, the end of the lever shoots upwards. This pushes another small lever up too. And it forces the hammer to hit the string so that it vibrates. As the string vibrates, it makes a musical note. When you stop pressing the key, the lever tips back and the hammer comes away from the string. Wow, how amazing is that? And we can see it in real life here. Look, when I press this key, it pushes the wooden lever to make the hammer hit the string.